to the babbling grapefruit. So sometimes I want to take the opportunity to talk about the minutia of life, the finer details, the smaller things, the things that, what I would call like the hidden good sides, things that you don't think about every day that are just some of those small, beautiful victories and wonderful things of life. And one of those things I was thinking about is an expression of just relief and release. And it's a yawn. I love a good yawn. Let it out. When I see someone and they're stifling a yawn and they're doing this, they go, it's like the worst. It drives me nuts. I feel terrible for those people. Just let it out. Cover your mouth, of course. Well, of course, cover your mouth. But take that huge breath in. Make yourself feel great. It always, for me, is like a refresher. And I know, talking about yawns and saying yawn over and over and over, yawn, 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 will make certain people yawn. And there's another beautiful thing about it. Is that if you're yawning while you watch this, as I talk about yawns and mimic doing yawns, it actually means you're a very empathetic person. I'm sure you've known that or you've heard that. If you haven't, well, there you go, you learned something. Good, thanks for tuning in. But it is one of those things that is just so wonderful. It's so beautiful. It's so simple, but it feels so great. After a good yawn, I feel so refreshing. I know, when they say the faster you do it after someone else, almost the more empathy. So if you're like wife or husband or boyfriend or girlfriend or whatever yawns, and then you immediately yawn right after, you have that, oh baby, this is good, the elusive synchronized yawn. You can start a yawn before they even finish their yawn. That is magic. That is a connection. That sort of feeling that you have with somebody else, not sort of beauty. It's something to behold, really. I love it. I get such a kick out of it. It makes me feel amazing. There are these things that, our days go by and we don't think about them and we don't feel them and so on and so forth. And you just yawn and you move on with your day. Take a minute to enjoy it. I love it. I absolutely do. You know what else falls in that category? Sneezing. My aunt, she'll sneeze like this. Worst. No work. There's a work I be on. I honestly, if they yawn like that, I feel bad for them. They're comfortable with themselves. They're not comfortable enough to let it all out. And there's something about yawning and sneezing that are like natural releases. You don't know when it's going to come. You don't know what's happening. You don't know. It's not, somebody asked me, I was mentioning this to a friend of mine. He said, well, could you say the same thing about using the washroom? I said, no, it's not the same. You plan that. You know the feeling, you go to the washroom, you're like, oh, don't get me wrong. Getting a pee when you really have to pee, great feeling. But it's not that like spontaneous release. You let loose a sneeze and it just showers the room, right? Now, you probably shouldn't do that, but people do. As long as you're by yourself or you're not, COVID time, so you gotta be careful about that sort of thing. But hey, who am I to judge? I think, let it go. Now, speaking of that, that's a big problem that we have too. I don't know why we're supposed to sneeze now. I don't know where we're supposed to sneeze. Right, sneezing's my elbow, right? I've been doing that for years. I used to go to summer camp, and one person got sick, everyone would get sick, so you have to be careful about that sort of thing. And so they would tell you, well, sneeze into there. Not been a habit of mine. I thought it was kind of weird because you'd be wearing like a coat. How often do you wash a coat? I don't know. Maybe I'm not washing my coats often enough, but I feel like you don't wash a coat very often. wash your sweaters or your shirts or whatever, but I don't wash the coat very often. So I sneeze into that coat. Now I got that smell on that coat for however long. Or maybe after I sneeze in there, I probably should wash it, but no, I don't. I don't know. You tell me, am I supposed to wash it more often? How often do you wash your coat? I never really thought about it before. And that may probably give me away that I really don't even wash my coat at all. Alright, listen. Winter jacket? How often do you wash that? That's weird. You came to me now. Anyway, sneezing. Oh, you sneeze in your elbow. But now everyone's giving each other, the elbow thing. Ooh, I could use a napkin. My mother told me I should have a napkin. But, you don't listen to your mother, that's what you get. I'm all covered in juice here. Anyways, yeah, so, how do I can't, if I give an elbow, but I just sneezed in my elbow, well, that's no good. You're actually better off shaking my hand the way I'm sneezing and coughing into my elbow. But, we won't shake my hand anymore now in 2020. We're very odd. What do we do? Where do we sneeze? Where do we cough? I don't know. But in any case, it's a great release. It's a great feeling. It's a great, you don't know what's coming. You're walking down the road. You're feeling good. All of a sudden, little piece of pollen right up your nose, and there you go. You're sneezing. And you just let it go. And you release something. I think it might be like, I could be making this up, but I feel like it's like an old fable that like a sneeze was like a releasing some demons from you or something. And I kind of feel that way. I kind of feel like, letting out a big old sneeze, you're just like releasing it. And letting out a yawn is almost like taking everything from a day that was good or bad or not so much. This was a tough deal today. But yeah, taking it, all those things, and just letting it all out. Wonderful. Anyways, Grapefruit's done. So am I. See you in a couple days.